On April 7th, residents of the 11-county area served by CVTC are asked to vote on a referendum authorizing the college to create and expand our facilities. The facilities improvements would target programs in high demand that impact citizens across our region, including transportation, public safety, manufacturing, technology, and community partnership. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about who we are as a college, what we are proposing within our referendum question, and why the need exists for the projects we have prioritized. At Chippewa Valley Technical College, we take great pride in our role of serving the communities in which we live and work. We find that the quality of life we enjoy in the Chippewa Valley is a direct relationship from the impact of the quality of education we provide. Some people may not realize how CVTC impacts their life each and every day. So, if you think about your daily life, it is likely that you woke up in a wood-framed home with operating plumbing and a vehicle that started in the morning. That was thanks to our graduates. Don't forget the police, fire, and EMS, who are invaluable to protect and serve our communities. Perhaps you have been nursed back to health, had your teeth cleaned, or visited the pharmacy. Those are also our grads. We grow your food, truck it to market, manufacture the products you use, keep critical IT systems running, take care of your children, do your hair, and prepare your legal documents. CVTC students truly impact our quality of life in the Chippewa Valley. Our mission is to deliver innovative and applied education that supports the workforce needs of the region, improves the lives of students, and adds value to our communities. Serving 11 counties in west central Wisconsin, CVTC educates thousands of students every year. Last year alone, the college served over 18,000 students, marking a 3-year growth in enrollment and countering a statewide trend of declining college enrollment. In addition to growing enrollments, we are also seeing positive impacts from our graduates as well. The 2019 Student Snapshot shows 95% of our students are employed within 6 months of graduation, with 87% of these students securing jobs within their field of study. Moreover, brain drain is not a concern, with 72% of grads remaining within the CVTC district and a total of 91% of graduates staying in the Wisconsin workforce. We attribute these positive results to new programs and delivery methods, evolving marketing and recruitment strategies, and growth in our apprenticeship and high school dual credit programs. While these results are positive, there is still work to be done. CVTC is committed to the following strategic priorities: respond to the growing workforce shortage, accommodate rapid changes in technology and industry demand, improve safety and security on our campuses, and provide the very best training for our first responders that protect and serve you in your communities every day, and prepare for the future by providing efficient and relevant facilities for our instructors to educate the students that impact your lives. Based on the community survey conducted last fall, research, and continued conversations with industry and community stakeholders, the CVTC board has prioritized projects in 4 key areas: transportation, emergency services, manufacturing, and a variety of additional projects to increase access to education across the district to better serve workforce demands. Let's take a deeper dive into each of these projects. The economy of our region depends on a vibrant transportation industry. The need to transfer goods, packages, and people in a timely, cost-efficient, and environmentally sound manner has dramatically increased the demand for transportation-related professionals. Regional economic data indicates more than 110 job openings for automotive maintenance technicians each year, over 4 times the number of CVTC graduates in this trade last school year. As the transition from gasoline engines to hybrid and electric vehicles continues, it will be critical for us to educate future and past grads to service cars that are designed and powered differently. Currently, our transportation programs are offered across 6 different sites in the city of Eau Claire, many of which have not been updated in nearly 50 years. As a result, they are overcrowded, outdated, and too small for current equipment and technology. The construction of a new transportation education center would increase capacity for students and provide operational efficiencies for the programs. The proposed new building would provide great opportunities to serve as an industry hub for collaboration and training, as well as support growing dual enrollment opportunities for our high school populations. Strong future job data, combined with the number of potential students we will be able to serve, make this project necessary to the growth and stability of the region. Societal shifts continue to make safety and security in our communities top of mind. Therefore, we are committed to providing the very best training for police, fire, and EMS students to prepare and protect them in the line of duty. Serving as a multifaceted space, our Emergency Service Education Center is in desperate need of expansion and renovation to better prepare our graduates and local public safety professionals, such as volunteer fire departments, for service to the community. The renovation and expansion of the campus will allow for updated simulation labs, flexible tactical training spaces, a more realistic firing range, and physical training space to prepare our students for required testing. In addition to serving our emergency service program students, the building also offers training and continuing education space for emergency service agencies in our communities. This project will accommodate enhanced training opportunities for these groups and extend community education courses. Emergency service organizations across the district depend on CVTC to produce graduates who meet training requirements. The proposed project will help us meet the training needs of today and the future. Manufacturing is the #1 employer sector in the state of Wisconsin, and CVTC produces the workforce to support this industry. It is critical for the college to be on the leading edge of ever-evolving technology in the manufacturing field and update the technical components of our facilities. Construction of the new space supports the increasing demand and shortage of skilled robotic welding and welding fabrication professionals. Through the addition of an automated fabrication lab to the Manufacturing Education Center, we could provide the necessary space to train on machinery safely, meet employer demand for robotic and automation training, and upskill manufacturing professionals for expanded and changing industry jobs. The addition will accommodate modern machinery, provide increased opportunities for continuing education training, and expand the high school academy and apprenticeship offerings of the college. The update of current facilities at various campuses is also needed to serve our growing student population at each of our area campuses. The proposed projects will improve program offerings and spaces at regional campuses, create new spaces to ensure future success in modern industries, and keep our campuses safe and secure for our students, staff, and community. In River Falls, a land acquisition would provide heightened awareness of the campus location and allow for future expansion to support additional programming for this growing region. Completion of the science lab on our existing campus would serve liberal arts and STEM course students. At the Menominee campus, we plan to secure the main campus entrance and update the student commons and office spaces for a more inviting, modern facility. For our Chippewa Falls campus, we need to update the existing facility to provide a science lab that will serve the growing high school academies, liberal arts, and healthcare programs. Additionally, we will add mobile labs to bring high-demand educational and training options to rural areas of the district. These building projects are proposed to be planned and phased in over 3 years, based upon this schedule. We believe the timing is favorable to complete these projects, as building materials are extremely affordable and construction costs will be low due to seeking bids and existing community relations. With the tax impact spread over our 11-county district, the proposed $48.8 million referendum amount would lead to an estimated $13 a year for each $100,000 of assessed property value. This would equate to $1.08 per month. We thank you for your time today and encourage you to vote on April 7th. CVTC looks forward to working with our communities as we continue to build our future together.